got my PEELY action figure. Also, shout out to a YouTube channel called Exotic Lair. They do a bunch of tarantula, snake, and other pet videos. In fact, I watched him so much that I even got myself a pet snake, which you probably know if you've watched my channel before. So shout out to Exotic Lair. Also, here, I'm not sure if you want to watch this. If you do, but this is pet bearded dragon Elvog. I just think he's really adorable. Anyway, the main purpose of this video is to show you the PEELY action figure that I made. So, yeah. And I actually kind of like it. So yeah. Also, I bought cool hats.